What makes me a museum curator, a GLAM, galleries, libraries, archives, museums, professional? I grew up in this house in Tamate Kapua. I grew up understanding, witnessing, relishing, celebrating instinctively the meaning and the demonstration of excellence. So wild blows the wind, cold, and here I sit against a tree, emblem of life, green, growing, silent upon this hill. Growing up here in Ohinamutu, you grew up with stories. That was the realm, the fortress of Te Makawe, feared and avoided. And stories are the basis of our magic as artists, as creatives, as visionaries, as warriors. Okay, ngā tamatoa, very first protest, 1971 at Waitangi. 50 years ago, we fought, we went to jail. I ended up being convicted of something I did at the Auckland Museum in 1972. At that time, it was desperate. It was preposterous. For me, that's what this award is about. It's about saying, we are here, we are in the sector, we will never go away now. Mato matera no mataku matera no katahi au ka mutu taku aroha e inawa e hika e